Because the Wingtra is a VTOL, I think that most people would know that stands for vertical takeoff and landing. I mean, why would you say that it allows you to fly more places? Can you just give kind of a brief background, layman's term on VTOL flight?
Yeah, so what happens is, I think for most of the demos, once they look at the data, they're all excited. Most of the demos, people just want to see it take off and land. So, because it's a really interesting process. So it shoots straight up, and then it transitions into a horizontal flight, and then when it goes into a horizontal flight, and then it will loiter or go in circles till it gets to the right altitude, and then you're flying at the most efficient manner at that point. And then once it's done collecting its data, it comes back, it returns to a vertical position and comes down. What that does is creates a pretty small area of landing, which is about, under 2 meters. So you're looking like 6 to 7 feet radius, that you're looking at where this thing is going to land. So if you're in a tight area, like in this picture, it's a trail yard, forest lanes. We have some really good use cases on our website based where the Cal Fire was using our drone, and they only, because of the tree size, they weren't able to use other fixed wing drones. And because we're able to take off at very small areas, it really helped us. And we do a lot of testing in the Swiss Alps, and a lot of those roads are actually pretty small, so there's not a ton of places to take off. So that's kind of where a lot of it came from.